Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to add using multibase cubes. Okay, so in order to teach how to add, we are going to use multibase cubes. As you can see, there is the unit, the group of 10, and also the group of 100. So now we're going to do this addition. First, we have to put the numbers ordered in groups of 100, of 10, and also the units. It is important to remark that students at this age would be using concrete materials, that is, real and tangible multibase cubes. In order to add, we have to regroup the units and make groups of 10. Here we're taking 10 units and creating another group of 10. In Spanish, this is usually called llevada. However, here it is clearly identified as a decena. So finally, after regrouping the units into a group of 10, we can easily add. We have 2 groups of 100 and 4 groups of 10, plus 1 group of 100 and 1 unit. Then, the result would be 341. Now, we're going to explain the subtraction with the multibase cubes too. So just like in the addition, we have to organize the numbers of the subtraction in groups of 100, of 10, and in the units. As I have said before, the children would do it with concrete multibase cubes. In the subtraction, the problem is that we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller one. In order to subtract, we have to ungroup a group of 100 into 10 groups of 10, and a group of 10 into 10 units. So now we can easily subtract. Now this is what is left after the ungrouping. We have 3 groups of 100, 9 groups of 10 minus 1 group of 10, and 12 units minus 7 units. So finally, the result would be 385.
Subtraction example. Let's take the number 1249 minus 135. We have got 1000 units, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 9 units. As we have got 9 units, we can take away 5 of them. We can also take away 3 tens from the 4 I have got and 100 from 2. The result is 1000 unit, 100, 110, and 4 units, which means the number 1114. Subtractions with borrowing. Let's take the number 2454 minus 1236. Now we are going to represent those numbers drawing multibase cubes. We have got 2000 units, 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 units. How do we take away 6 units if we only have got 4? We borrow and ungroup 1 10, which means 10 more units, and we put the unit in the unit part. And now, as we have 14 units, we can take away 6 of them. This makes that instead of 5 tens, now we have got 4 and take away 3 of them. We do the same with the 100. We have got 400 and take away 2, and with the thousands unit having 2 and taking away 1. This means that the final result is 1000 unit, 200, 110, and 8 unit, or the number 1218.
For the third and fourth course of primary, we have these examples of sum. Now in this example, we have to look at the first number and write 1 in the 1000 units, 2 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 4 in the units. Now all of this plus the other number. We see that in the 1000 units we have nothing, so we write 5 in hundreds, 6 in tens, and 2 in the units. Now we have to sum. We have to always start from the units. 2 units plus 4 units, 6 units. 6 tens plus 3 tens, 9 tens. 500s plus 200s, 700s, and now we have only 1,000 units. This is the other example, but this time is with borrowings. We write 1 in the 1,000 units, 3 in hundreds, 4 in tens, and 7 in units. Now we have to sum all of that with the other number. We don't have in the other number 1,000 units, so we write nothing. We write 2 in hundreds, 0 in tens, and 5 in the units. Now we have to sum. As we see, if we sum 5 units from the second number and 5 units from the first number, we get a tenth. We have 2 units left. We sum the tens too. Now the hundreds, and finally 1,000 units. If we sum all of this, we get that number.
Hi guys, now I'm going to explain you how to solve this add for 5 rate. Let's explain how we do it. We have 8 units plus 1 plus 1. In total there are 10 units. We are going to see how many groups of 10 we have. If 10 is the same as 10 plus 0, we have a group of 10, 2 groups, and we have 0 units left. Now we have one group of 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7. We have 21 in total, which is the same as saying 2 groups of 10 that we are going to group, and we write 1 here. This time we have 2 groups plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. In total we have 24, which is the same as saying that we have 2 groups of 10 to group in the next column, and we still have 4. Now we have 2 groups plus 3 plus 9 plus 8. In total we have 22. That is 2 groups of 10, and we write 2 here. Due to the grouping, we still have 2 groups, and this will be our result. Now let's do the subtraction. On the one hand, we have 8 minus 1 that gives us 7. In this column, we have 1 minus 3, but 1 is smaller than 3, therefore we ungroup a group of 10 from the following subtraction, and we group it, and we have 10 plus 1 and minus 3 that gives us 8. This time we have 8 minus 4 because of the previous ungrouping, and it gives us the result 4. Now we have 0 minus 8. We need to ungroup a group of 10 either, and we group it here, and we have 10 plus 0 minus 8, and we still have 2. With the previous ungrouping we have 1 minus 2, so we ungroup a group of 10 and group it here. So we have 10 plus 1 minus 5, which is equal to 6. And here we have 5 minus 2, that gives us 3.